Hello everyone, myself Bhumit Sagatia from College Dunya. Today I am at Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Sailesh K. Patel sir. He is a principal in Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya.
Thank you, Bhumit.
So start with the questionnaire session sir. My first question is, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Bhumit, curriculum for any institution, for any university, curriculum that is very, very important as far as the career or academics of the students is concerned. So, curriculum we are designing based on local, regional, national and global requirement, and based on this requirement we are just designing the program outcome, then program educational objectives and course outcomes, and based on that our whole curriculum we are designing. And as far as industry need is concerned, we are just changing the curriculum based on the need of industry, and for that we are just mapping the industrial need and what are the current technological scenario, and based on that input of the various technocrats, we are just putting their inputs, and we are revising our curriculum after a regular interval. So the curriculum, that is very important.
Very nicely explained about your college curriculum, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the college and the students are?
As far as institution is concerned, as being a head of institution, there are lots of roles and responsibility of mine to plan the academics, and then after planning the execution of academics, then evaluation of the academics, that is very important. That is my roles and responsibility. Another important thing is that we have to encourage the students to participate in curricular and extracurricular activities and provide the guidance and motivation to the students to apply their skills for new things, new development, and applying technology and scientific methods to all the disciplines for developing the students' skills in all the manners, and building the educational environment, learning environment, so that every students learn lots of things. And as far as institution is concerned, the teaching evaluation is important, but learning environment and learning is much more important, and that environment I would like to nurture and create, so that every students learn by his own self.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what do you think should be the Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College top priority over the next 10 years?
Very important thing is that nowadays the students are not looking their career with their education. So it is one of the important drawback in our current educational system. So in next 10 years, my goal for this institution, that is to impart the or to emphasize that maximum number of students take or participate in internship. And as far as whatever curriculum I have designed for my institution, in that the gap between 2 semesters, I have made compulsory internship of each and every student, so that the students have to enter in the industry, and they have get the exposure of industry as a part of their curriculum only. So internship I would like to make compulsory for each and every students. And one of the important thing is that as far as top priority is concerned for next few years, that I insist that my each and every students must associated with one innovative R&D project which is sponsored by any sponsoring agency, that is maybe Guj Coast, DST or whatsoever.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
One of the important things that our technical educational scenario is concerned, our in every institution the educational dropout, that is very, very much. and I would like to decrease that educational dropout by increasing the awareness of the students for their career building with their education only. And that is we want that we are, by motivation or by counseling we are just want to reduce, and we are reducing the dropout of the students. And another important thing is that our maximum number of students are going abroad, are going for further education, and are placed by our institution. So as far as further study is concerned, further education is concerned, and further job is concerned, our placement, that is 100%.
On that note, my next question is, what do you see as Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College's greatest strength?
Our strength is our students are our strength. But as far as our institution is concerned, our faculty member, it is our faculty member, it is they are the heart of our institution, and we have all the experienced, talented faculty members, and our faculty members retention ratio, that is very, very high. So we have all the faculty members are having more than 10 years experience. Another strength is concerned that all the laboratories are full-fledged laboratory, and our environmental, our institution environment, that is a learning environment, creative environment, and our student faculty relationship, that is very we can say healthy. So these are our strengths.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yeah. In Gujarati, I would like to say the word of our beloved and our own, I can say, Sant સ્વામી વિવેકાનંદજી, એમને એવું સેન્ટેન્સ બોલ્યા હતા એક, કે ઉઠો, જાગો અને ધ્યેય પ્રાપ્ત ના થાય ત્યાં સુધી જમશો નહીં. સો આઈ ઇન્સિસ્ટ and I would like to say the youth that you just come up with one idea. Daily you are thinking lots of ideas. Among them you just decide one idea, and you just come with that one idea, and you just work on that one idea, and you try again and again until and unless you just success on that idea, and that idea will become your future.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your college, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of college.
Thank you, Bhumit. At last, I would like to say one important sentence for all the youth, for all the newcomers, and for all the engineers, that many people are saying that the knowledge is power. But I firmly say that knowledge is not power, but implementation of knowledge is power. So, you just come and join our organization, and we will provide you the platform to implement your knowledge up to your successful career. So, wish you all the best.
Very well, sir. Thank you, sir.